Here we go, perfect example of a stupid hero dent. Man, I'm gonna feel this when I'm done. Okay, here we are at day 2. I'm gonna get in there and smooth out a little bit more of this and see what we can accomplish in the next couple hours. And here we are. This is what we're at right now. A lot of time and effort went into this. Now I'm going to get in there and do some more big pushes. I shrunk up a lot of that stretch metal. Today's a lot easier than it was last night because it was a lot of micro pushing and shrinking. As you can see, it's got a really good shape going back to it. It's not chewed up. I haven't done any sanding and polishing to compromise the clear. But it's all about the technician and the amount of time. Okay, here's the end results. And again, the customer's goal was for us to make it look decent. It wasn't for a perfect repair. It's an older Honda CRV, which really should have had a new quarter panel. We could probably put another day of fine tuning in this, but I mean, when you remember what it looked like before, it was extremely stretched and had some really hard kinks. But the end results, I think, are basically amazing, especially staying in the customer's budget. Okay, flip around and here's... So here we are right now. I'm gonna spend a couple more minutes on it.